I found a Mercedes-Benz that's actually smarter than most drivers. And yes, that terrifies me. This is the all-new Mercedes-Benz CLA, the first car to run entirely on MB.OS with AI from Microsoft and Google baked in. Today, we're asking whether this is the cleverest Mercedes ever built or just the most overqualified navigation system. Now, cars used to be engines with seats, but this one is a supercomputer with wheels. MB.OS ties together infotainment, driver assistance, charging and comfort all in one chip-to-cloud brain. Every CLA gets a powerful onboard computer connected to the Mercedes-Benz intelligent cloud, allowing over-the-air updates for major systems, including driver assistance for the first time. Transition, your car gets updates like your phone, minus the 3 a.m. wake-up call. This matters because the CLA won't age out of its technology as quickly. The MBUX, MB Drive and MB Charge systems evolve through software, adding new functions, smarter navigation and improved efficiency without a dealer visit. I asked the car about black holes, dinner spots and my love life, and only one of those questions was a mistake. The fourth generation MBUX uses Microsoft and Google AI in a single system. The virtual assistant holds multi-term conversations, remembers context, and pulls knowledge from Bing and Google Maps. It's far beyond a glorified voice button. Hey Mercedes, explain black holes to me like I'm 10.
Imagine a black hole as a giant vacuum cleaner in space that sucks up everything around it, including light. It's made when a big star runs out of fuel and collapses into a super tiny, super heavy point. If you get too close, there's no turning back. But from far away, it's just like a glowing star in the night sky. Black holes are super mysterious and help shape the universe by pulling in stars and planets around them.
Ask about cherry blossom season, then immediately ask about Germany, and then pivot to date ideas. It follows all of it, answering accurately using Google Maps intelligence. It feels more like a co-pilot than a command prompt. Finally, a car that can actually plan date night. Next up, maybe it can actually dress me for date night too. The AI appears as a living Mercedes star with emotional cues. Blue by default, green when you're happy, vivid colors when excited, orange or red when angry. It recognizes tone and responds empathetically. Clever or unsettling, depends on your tolerance for glowing avatars. This is the first Mercedes interface that feels human, rather than a very polite spreadsheet. The optional super screen spans the cabin with a 10.25-inch driver display and two 14-inch touchscreens. Powered by Unity game engine graphics, menus are slick and modern. Everything feels like high-end customer tech, not an automotive lag fest. Zero clutter, zero layers, and zero excuses. If you get lost, it's because of the menus. The updated Zero Layers keeps functions front and center. The app grid works like a smartphone. Move icons, group them in folders, swipe left to toggle views. It's intuitive, fast, and mercifully free of gimmicks. Now, if you can operate a smartphone, you can basically operate this vehicle. And if you can't, that's a whole different video. Passengers get their own display with streaming apps like Disney Plus and Ride View. Eye tracking prevents the driver from watching, which solves the eternal frozen problem in family cars. Finally, Google Maps in a Mercedes, which is something I've always wanted. And now that we actually have it, guess what? The universe didn't collapse. Navigation is built on Google Maps with Mercedes styling. Surround navigation adds a 3D view of vehicles, buildings, and pedestrians around you. It's an immersive game-like driving view with much higher situational awareness. So it actually gives you a clear, real-time picture of the traffic around you, including drivers who seem determined to make things interesting. Every Mercedes uses navigation with electric intelligence, calculating routes, charging stops, and preconditioning the battery automatically. It factors in traffic, terrain, and temperature to avoid cold weather range surprises. Add a detour and it adapts, almost like it's used to me changing my mind. MB Drive includes distance assist, blind spot assist with exit warnings, evasive steer, lane keeping, and optional Pro upgrades for enhanced city support. 10 cameras, 5 radar, and a water-cooled supercomputer manage the workload.
Now the good news is, underneath all this software, it still remembers that it's a car and a nice drive.
At launch, you get the CLA 250 Plus with EQ technology at up to 374 miles of EPA, and the 312-mile CLA 350 4MATIC with 349 horsepower. The 800-volt architecture delivers up to 320 kilowatt DC fast charging, giving around 200 miles in roughly 10 minutes.
So in normal person's math, that is a quick stop, caffeine, and then another 200 miles. That's not bad before you even have to get close to charging it.
A 2-speed transmission handles both punchy city starts and efficient highway cruising. Efficiency hits around 93% battery to wheel over distance, borrowing engineering from the ultra-efficient Vision EQXX.
Sprinter and marathon runner, which is much of an improvement to my workout routine. Who am I kidding? I don't work out.
A brake-by-wire system maximizes regeneration. Choose D+ for coasting, D for normal regen, D- for strong regen, or let D automatic anticipate corners, traffic and speed changes using sensors and map data.
And thankfully it doesn't resemble a bargain bin router, which is something I can't say for all of the competition.
The CLA keeps its trademark proportions, long wheelbase, short overhangs, muscular, and adds a fully illuminated star grille with 142 LEDs, star-shaped lighting signatures, a panoramic roof, and a floating interior console.
Tech demo in a tailored suit. Silicon brain, Savile Row posture.
Packaging starts practically for a compact sedan. Materials include high recycled content, dropping lifecycle CO2 by around 40% versus its predecessor. A hybrid version arrives later for buyers not ready to go full electric.
Now, if the range, the brains, and the eco-cred doesn't convince you, pretty much nothing will.
So, is this the smartest Mercedes yet? On pure technology, yes. MB.OS, multi-gen AI, 3D navigation, and OTA upgradable driver assistance makes this a credible preview of the brand's future. Whether buyers want a car this clever is the real test.
I'm Nick Miles, and I love my job.